Welcome to Education Hub.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for eyes. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for owl. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Z Z is for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Please subscribe our channel.